Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. In our previous video, we discussed about relationships in Dynamics 365 Dataverse, where we discussed about different types of relationships and we discussed about how to create those relationships in Dynamics 365. In that video, I mentioned that whenever we create a new end-to-end relationship, a hidden intersect table will be created. And once the relationship is created, we will not be able to access that hidden intersect table. We will not be able to add any new columns to that intersect table, and we will not be able to see that particular intersect table in the application UI. Before we discuss further about this end-to-end, I will give you one example of the out-of-the-box end-to-end relationship between opportunity and products. Within opportunity, we will be able to add multiple products. So whatever the products the customer is looking for, we will be adding inside the opportunity. And similarly, from the perspective of product, the same product can be purchased by multiple customers, which means one opportunity can have multiple products associated, and then one product can also have multiple opportunities. Here, in addition to the hidden intersect table, we need to have some table that is displayed in UI, and in that table we need to have some additional columns to mention about the price, quantity, etc. For example, the customer might be looking for 10 quantity of one product and then 20 quantity of another product. So we need to capture those details in some place in Dataverse, but this is not achievable using our out of the box or automatic end to end relationship. In this case, what we will do is we will create a new intersect table, and then we will create two one to end relationship between the other tables that we are looking for. In this case, we are talking about opportunity and products. So what Microsoft has done here is they have created a new table which is called as opportunity product, and from opportunity they created one to end relationship with this opportunity product, and similarly from product table also they have created one to end relationship with opportunity product table, which means instead of a hidden intersect table, we are manually creating this intersect table, and within this intersect table we can add new columns as per our requirement, and then we are creating two one-to-one relationship between the two required tables. I can show you this relationship from the solution as well. If I go to opportunity relationship, this is the relationship I am talking about. You can see the related table as opportunity product. Instead of directly creating the relationship with product table, we have a new intersect table that is called opportunity product, and the relationship exists between opportunity and opportunity product. And similarly, I will show you from product perspective also. If we go to the relationships of product table, Here also we will be able to see the relationship with opportunity product table, which means opportunity table also has relationship with this opportunity product table, and similarly product table also has a relationship with this opportunity product table, and both the relationships are one to many. Because of this, we can add a subgrid of opportunity product within our opportunity table. And here, many people will confuse that this is a product subgrid, but it's not a product table subgrid. Instead, this is the subgrid of opportunity product subgrid. And because of that manual intersect table creation, we will be able to add the additional columns as per our requirement. Now we will see how to do this. I will go to our solution, and from here I will create two new tables. Okay, now we have two tables. One is table 5 and the other one is table 6. As I said earlier, to have this manual end-to-end relationship, we need to have one intersect table, and that also needs to be created manually. For that, again, I will create one more table. If you see the previous example that we discussed, that is opportunity and product, the intersect table was created in the name of both the tables, that is opportunity product, right? The same way, I will give the name as table 5, table 6. Now we have two tables, table 5 and table 6. Between these two tables only, we need to create the many to many relationship. And this table 5, table 6 will be our intersect table that we created manually. Now I will go to my table 5. As we discussed earlier, from table 5, we will create one to many relationship with table 5, table 6. So this is our intersect table here. One to n relationship is now created from table 5. In the same way, I will create one more one to n relationship from table 6. This is created. Now if we go to this intersect table, here we will see these two relationships. One is from table 5 and the other one is from table 6. And from this table, the relationship type will be many to one. Now we have all the relationships done. Now we will go to the form and we will see how to add the subgrid. In this case, we will have the subgrade in both table 5 and table 6. Now I'm in table 5 form editor. Here, even though we are talking about the relationship between table 5 and table 6, we will not be able to see the table 6 here. Instead, we will be adding this table 5, table 6, which is our intersect table in our subgrade. Okay. Here I have added the intersect table in our subgrid. In the same way, from table 6 form also, we will be adding the intersect table subgrid. And now we will go to this intersect table form. Here we need to have the lookup of both the parent tables. We need to have the lookup of both table 5 and table 6. And you can see both the lookups are automatically created the moment we created two one-to-one relationship between the from these two tables. Now I will add table 5 and table 6. Now we have done all the setups. So we have created the relationships. We have added the subgrids from both the tables. And then we have also added the lookup fields in our intersect table. Now we will add these two tables in our model driven app and we will check how it is working. App is now published. I will open the app to see the changes. I will create two records in table 5. And similarly, I will create two more records from table 6. Now we have the required records. I will open one of the record from table 5. And here within this subgrade, we need to set up the relationship. Okay. So I will create a new table 5, table 6 record. You can see automatically the table 5 lookup field is populated because we are creating this record from table 5 form. And here I will link the table 6 record 1. And similarly, I will link the second record from table 6. Now you can see one table 5 record is linked with two table 6 record. And similarly, if I go to table 6 record 1, you can see the existing relationship. Already we have linked this table 6 record 1 in table 5 record. And similarly, if we need to add one more table 5 record, that is table 5 record 2, we can create one more record over here. And from here, you can see the table 6 lookup is automatically populated. Here we need to set the table 5 record value, and then we can give the name and we can save and close. Which means we are manually setting up this end-to-end relationship with these two tables with the help of our intersect table. Now this intersect table is completely in our control. Within this intersect table, if you want to add any new columns, you can add. If you want to add some new design to your form, you can do it. If you want to add some new columns to the view, we can add it. The whole intersect table is now within our control. I hope this video helps you understanding how we can create manual end-to-end relationship. Thank you for watching.